wow, he came up all the way over there.
Whoa, that was fast. How do they see fish under the water?
They're birds. They're trained to eat.
How'd that fish get loose?
I mean, they live.
I think that guy got away.
I'm pretty sure he's bailing down the river.
Yeah, he definitely got away. If he comes back, he's a fool. What the? Dude, that bird was there a second ago.
Yeah. No, that's not that one. You put another one in.
Oh, what? Where's the other one
gone?